Hello everyone. In this experiment we are going to understand how to make use of timers as an interrupt. So here we are able to see the 7 segment display is displaying the counts from 0 to some 255 because there are 3 digits. This is ones, this is tens and this is hundreds. So the count shows 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 etc. So this 7 segment display or multiplexed 7 segment display. Multiplexed 7 segment display means the A segment of all the 4 7 segments are connected together and connected to this A. B segments are connected together and connected here, and C segments are connected together and connected here to reduce the number of input output lines. So here port 0 of this microcontroller is connected to the 7 segments, and here if you see P2.0, P2.1 and P2.2. So the 3 pins of port 2 are used as a segment selection pins. Say for example P2.0 is used as a segment selection for ones. So if I remove this, ones will not get displayed. And P2.1 is used for selecting the segment of tens. So when I remove this, the 10 segment will not load. And P2.2 is used for hundreds. So now ones is getting displayed, then 10 segment is this and 100 segment is this. So 2.0, 2.1 and 2.2 are used for selecting the segments. Selecting the segments means what? So the common pin of the 7 segment display is connected to the ground through this transistor. By making P2.0 as 1, the base of the transistor becomes 1 and the segment will be grounded and the corresponding segment is glowing. Okay, so here we use time division multiplexing technique by using timer 0 interrupt to display 193. So for example, why this multiplexer 7 segment display? Because so one segment needs 8 GPIO, 10 segment needs 8 GPIO, 100 segments needs 8 general purpose input output. Say for example, if there is a 1000 means 1000 needs 8 general purpose input. So totally there are 32 input output lines are necessary if it is directly connected. When it is connected in the multiplexer form, just by 8 plus 3 with 11 GPIO lines, we are able to satisfy 24 GPIO lines requirement by using time division multiplexing technique by using timer 0 interrupt. So let us see how best this timer 0 interrupt serves the purpose. How it serves the purpose means we are doing the conventional way of incrementing the variable C, and that C variable is in binary. That binary value will be converted to BCD, and the BCD value will be converted to 7 segment code. This is the usual way of interfacing 7 segment display, as we all know. So the C variable, binary to BCD conversion and BCD to 7 segment code conversion will be run automatically inside the code. That is what first we are doing. Then in the timer 0 ISR, we are selecting the P2.0, that is one segment, and then we are sending out one's value to segment ones, and then we are switching off on the 10 segment, and then we are sending out the tens value, and after some time we are switching off the 10 segment. Then we are switching on the 100 segment, and then we are sending out the 100 value, and then we are switching off this. This sequentially we are doing at least 100 times per second. So due to persistence of vision, it looks like all the 3 segments are glowing, but at an instant only one segment is glowing. So switching on once, displaying once, switching off once, switching on tens digit, displaying tens value, switching off tens digit, switching on hundreds segment, displaying hundreds value, and switching off hundreds digit. This repeats continuously in the timer 0 ISR. As we all know, timer 0 is 13-bit timer mode. 13-bit timer mode means 2 power 13. 2 power 13 means 8192. So if you look at this diagram, here in this diagram if you see, so there is a main routine which starts continuing. So whenever the 8192 microsecond comes, timer 0 will overflow and timer 0 interrupt will get created. So program execution goes to timer 0 ISR. In timer 0 ISR, so the ones segment will be on, 10 segment will be on, and 100 segment will be on in sequence. Then after displaying that, the program execution comes back to the main routine. So the main routine will continue until another 8192 microsecond. So after 8192 microsecond, again timer flag will overflow. It will create an interrupt, timer interrupt, and timer 0 ISR will get executed. Once again we are displaying ones first, then tens next, then hundreds, then again going to this. This process repeats several times once in that 8192 microsecond. 8192 microsecond, when it is approximated as 10,000 microsecond means it is 10 millisecond. So every 10 millisecond the interrupt service routine is getting executed, meaning in 1 second this 100 times the interrupt service routine will get executed. So 100 times is more than the high definition television. That many times high definition television display refresh the frames 60 times. Normal television refresh the frames 50 times, but here the frames are refreshed 100 times. Frames here in the sense 7 segment display. Okay, so by repeatedly displaying this 1, 10, 100 times in 1 second, our eye cannot able to visualize this each segments. So let us see how best this code works. So look at the screen. This is the code that we have written here for the timer 0 in so timer interrupt is our objective. So T mode is 00, meaning timer 0 in 13-bit timer mode is switched on. So starting the timer. Okay. So this IE equal to 82 means the interrupt timer 0 interrupt is enabled. So we are enabling the timer 0 interrupt and then we are switching on the timer in 13-bit timer mode. So every overflow, that means every overflow in the sense every 8192 microsecond, this timer will overflow and the program execution goes to timer 0 ISR. So this is timer 0 interrupt service routine. So this is the syntax. You have to give interrupt 1 for timer 0 ISR. So when you write the code, you can see one selection. What do you mean by this one selection? We go to the top and see S bit. S bit means special function register bit. Special function register bit 2.0, that is port 2's 0th bit is used as a one selection, is labeled for one selection. P2.1 is labeled as 10 selection bit. P2.2 is labeled as 100 selection bits. Okay, so these three bits are used to enable the 1 segment, 10 segment and 100 segment, and it is labeled as 1 selection, 10 selection and 100 selection. Okay, so in this ISR, if you see 1 selection equal to 1 means the base of the transistor is 1, and the ones port 0 equal to A of 1s. What do you mean by A of 1s? So binary to BCD code converted value is here, right? Binary to BCD code converted value here. So you can see C is getting incremented in the while loop. In the main loop, C is getting incremented. That C variable is converted to ones, tens, hundreds as binary to BCD code conversion. After binary to BCD code conversion, we need to go for BCD to 7 segment code conversion. For BCD to 7 segment code conversion, we normally use this one dimensional array. So A of 0 means 3F is a 7 segment code for displaying 0. A of 1 means 06 is the 7 segment code for displaying 1s, something like that. 5B means 2, and similarly 6, 7 means it is 9. So here A of 1s means 1 segment value will be transferred to port 0, and after some delay we are switching off the 1 segment, and we are switching on the 10 segment, sending out the 10's value to port 0, and after some delay we are switching off the 10 segment, and we are switching on the 100th segment, and after sending out the 100's value to port 0, after some delay we are switching off the 100th segment, and these three things are happening in the timer 0 ISR, and the program execution comes to the main routine. In the main routine, we keep on incrementing the C variable, and after some 50,000 of delay, so it keep on incrementing the C variable, and every 8192 microsecond, this interrupt service routine executes and makes the 1 segment, 10 segment and 100 segment to display the values from 0 to 255 as we see in this hardware. So now again, if you look at this hardware, now I reset this. So it starts from 0 and goes on, and it displays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this justifies timer 0 in 13-bit timer mode is used for multiplexer 7 segment display to display the numbers ones, tens and hundreds. Thank you.